How do you do? I'm George. I'm back again. I've been doing some thinking over the years about many things, and I was thinking about our brain, how it works, and the relationship between our brain and our mind. Well, I believe that our mind is between the two hemispheres of our brain, in that space between the hemispheres. That's what I believe. And I believe when we look at something, the optic nerve conveys atoms of what we look at to the brain. And then the brain conveys the atoms to our mind. And what we look at, and the image blows up on the mind and gets recorded. I believe that space between the two hemispheres is our mind. Also, when we hear something, the auditory nerve conveys atoms of what we hear to the brain, and the brain conveys the atoms to our mind. What we're hearing gets recorded in our mind. So if we hear a car, we know that it's a car because when the auditory nerve conveys the sound of a car to our brain conveys the atoms of the sound to our mind. And those atoms get stored in an area that has a recording of a car that we know of that makes that sound. So I believe that our mind is in that space between the two hemispheres of our brain. That's what I believe. I've always suspected that, and I want to make mention of that. What do you think? Tell me what you think.